This 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 265 BSRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a harvest interior, sleeps 2, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.